Hello everyone, we hope everyone is doing well and please stay safe. In today's video, we will try to do a quick summary of Mary Buffett and Seah's book, The 7 Secrets to Investing Like Warren Buffett. Please note this is a quick summary and we won't cover everything. We recommend viewers to buy the book to obtain more and complete values. We also added some of our own thoughts that can serve you well as an investor. So please sit back, buckle up your seatbelt and let us begin. Secret number 1, the power of habits. You can't go back and change the beginning, but you can start where you are and change the ending. C.S. Lewis. Creating a good habit and getting rid of your bad one is the beginning of a better investing lifestyle. For example, you could create a checklist before you buy any stock as one helpful habit toward our investment career. Remember, even the best pilot requires a checklist before the plane takes off. Therefore, we should create a good habit of following our checklist before we put money in the stock market. Do you have a checklist ready? If not, leave a comment, and if yes, would you mind sharing your checklist in the comment below? Thank you, greatly appreciate your effort in advance. Another good habit to have is to watch your spending in order to be a good investor. As Benjamin Franklin once said, live below your mean. Please, I beg you, only invest what you are willing to lose. Following this habit helps us to become less emotional in the market and more rational for a long-term perspective, as a true investor would. Secret number 2, value investing. There are many ways we can be a value investors, but here are the 6 ways that are helpful. Number 1, will the company be here 10 years from now? Number 2, is this company even generating money? Number 3, is the company easy to understand? Number 4, are the managements capable of running this company? Number 5, does the company have a lot of debt? I personally lose a substantial amount because of this mistake, and I hope no one repeats this mistake. This is why I am sharing with you the story. There are 2 companies competing with each other in the market for dominating the printing press industry. These 2 competing companies own a large portion of the overall market to the point the government has to step and stop them from merging. One company is selling at that time I thought was below value compared to their rival. Both of these companies have the same debt load and earnings were very much similar to one another, but the debt load was very high. Of course, trying to be smart over my brain capacity, I picked the underdog with the same debt load, which was trading on the market what I thought was very cheap versus what their competitor was trading at the time. Both of these companies have a ratio of debt to equity at 4. Even after learning that a good ratio of debt to equity is 0.5 or below, I still bought it in. Now, due to the black swan of COVID-19, this company declared bankruptcy and now is in the process of liquidating its assets. Because their debt ratio is way above their equity, it is very doubtful that I will get anything back. So please don't invest in any company with a high debt load like I did. I hope my bad mistake help others to avoid companies with lots of debt. To further extend my stupidity, the printing commercial business is a dying industry in the first place because of digital marketing. I don't know what I was thinking at the time, perhaps I wasn't thinking at all. So please remember, a dying industry mixed with a high debt level is not a place any investors want their money to be at work. It is like going to hell and keep going. If you like what you have seen so far, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more. This will really help us to get the YouTube algorithm kicking in for our content. Once again, we really appreciate your likes and subscription. Thank you so much. Number 6, price to sale ratio. Does it make sense to buy this company at the current price to sale ratio? A fantastic price to sale ratio is 3 or below. Now let's move on to secret number 3. Secret number 3. Generating stock ideas. What to buy and how to find them? Do you know that most of the good companies to invest in are all around us? Like literally? Please note, we are not recommending you to buy everything you see around you, but some of the greatest investment is literally all around us. For example, Mr. Peter Lynch and Taco Bell's. We don't know the exact profit he made from this investment, but we know it was a handsome return for him to speak about it. During his business trip, he sampled one of Taco Bell taco and found it very attractive. After digging into the company record and extensive research, he decided to pull his trigger, and it serves him well. Did you know at the age of 7, Mr. Warren Buffett went out and collect bottle cap for a week? After collecting the bottle cap, 8,000 units of them to be exact, He sorts them all out to find which brand sold the most. He discovered that Coca-Cola overwhelmed other soft drinks. So he went to his grandfather's grocery and bought 6 bottles for 25 cents and sell it to the street for more than what he paid. Perhaps this is why he invested in Coca-Cola later on in his investment career. The point is, everyday investors like us have an edge in finding a good stock to invest in as well. And the news or random people on the bus is not where to look. In this book, Mary, she suggests that can look into our credit card statements and see where our money is flowing to. That could be a great start to finding a great pick for stock investment. So the next time when you get your monthly credit card statement, check where and what you spend the most money on. Hopefully you can find a great pick from there. But remember, overpaying on any good stock will not make you money. Therefore, knowing the intrinsic value of a stock is extremely crucial. Please check out our site at valuesnip.com for the intrinsic value of any securities that are trading on the NYSE. Valuesnip.com to get your free automatic intrinsic value calculators. To continue to secret number 4, please click on part 2 of the video. We will see you there soon, and thank you so much.